Bonjour! By the end of this video, I guarantee that you will be able to converse with me in français. So today we are going to practice a little dialogue together, and you will see that by the end of this video, you'll be able to speak French without even thinking about it. Well, at least that's what I'm hoping for. So let's start. I'll be saying the text in red, and you will be saying the text in blue. But first, I'm going to go through the full script with you to help with your pronunciation, and then it will be your turn. So listen carefully the first time around. Now remember, I am red and you're going to be blue. Here is the dialogues. You don't need to do anything because we will go through it together. Je voudrais vraiment faire plus pour la sauvegarde de l'environnement. Tu as des idées? Oui, trier ses déchets, par exemple, c'est important pour le recyclage. Je le fais déjà, mais c'est parfois un peu compliqué. Oui, c'est vrai. Tu peux aussi réduire ta consommation de plastique. Moins on en utilise, mieux c'est pour la planète. Oui, tu as raison. Comment tu t'y prends? J'utilise une gourde plutôt que des bouteilles en plastique et j'achète des produits en vrac pour éviter les emballages. Ça change la vie. Ah oui, bonne idée. Je vais faire pareil. Merci. Okay, I know, right? This dialogue. I mean, I'm not even sure that will take place in real life. It's all about the environment and what you do to help the environment. But saying that, it's going to help you with a huge amount of vocabulary. So let's have a look and translate sentence after sentence. And you're going to have to talk a lot this time. So be very careful with the pronunciation. You can do this dialogue over and over again. So, je voudrais vraiment faire plus pour la sauvegarde de l'environnement. Tu as des idées? I'd like really to do more. I would like, so that's a conditional. Vraiment, like really, faire plus, do more, in order to save the environment. Pour la sauvegarde de l'environnement. Do you have any ideas or do you have some ideas? Des idées. To this, you say oui. Trier ses déchets, par exemple. C'est important pour le recyclage. Now, this one is really hard. And you know what? In terms of pronunciation, you have to say trier and recyclage. So you've got to pronounce the r sound, okay? And I've made a video on r sound, which is very popular and involves a pencil. Anyway, yes, sorting waste, for example, it's important for recycling. So c'est important pour le recyclage. So sorting out is trier. OK? To this, I say, je le fais déjà, mais c'est parfois un peu compliqué. I already do it. Je le fais déjà. But it is sometimes quite complicated or a bit complicated. It's a bit complicated. So I already do it, but sometimes it's a bit complicated. To this we say, and this is by far the longest bit. Oui, c'est vrai. Yes, it's true. Tu peux aussi réduire ta consommation de plastique. Now, tu peux, you can also reduce your consumption of plastics. It's not a difficult text, by the way. You know, it's of, a B1 level, even A2, I would say. Moins on en utilise, mieux c'est pour la planète. So that is a tough one. So when you say the less we use, the more. So we say moins on en utilise, the less we use it. En comes from plastic, okay? It, the better it is for the planet. So c'est mieux ou mieux c'est pour la planète, okay? It's interesting as in you have the c'est after the mieux. C'est mieux pour la planète. We would say mieux c'est pour la planète because we are using moins at the very beginning. So moins on fait ça, mieux c'est. It's a structure of sentences would be nice for you to know. To this I say, oui, tu as raison. Comment tu t'y prends? Yes, you're right. How do you do that? So, s'y prendre is an idiom, which means how to do it. Okay, je m'y prends, comme ça. I'm doing it this way. Okay, but I know that prendre is to take, but put it with s'y prendre. How do you do it, that's the way we do it. To this we say, j'utilise une gourde plutôt que des bouteilles en plastique. OK. Et j'achète des produits en vrac pour éviter les emballages. Ça change la vie. Now, the word vrac, you may not know. Now, j'utilise des bouteilles en plastique. I use a reusable water bottle. OK. Instead of. OK. So, j'utilise une gourde. Now, une gourde, if you don't know what it is a water bottle, it's quite fashionable nowadays, like a fill-up, reusable water bottle, that's what it is, instead of plastic bottles. And I buy products in bulk. And this is where the word vrac comes from, en vrac. J'achète des produits en vrac, in bulk. Pour éviter, donc, l'emballage, to avoid packaging. It's a life changer, ça change la vie. And to this, I say, ah oui, bonne idée, je vais faire pareil, merci. Oh yes, good idea. I'm going to do the same, thanks. Okay, now this is a very long dialogue, I know. Hopefully you're still there. You there? Because we are going to practice it together. Now remember that I'm saying the red bits and you're going to do the blue bit. And I'm going to allow time for you to repeat or to say your bit. Okay, so here we go. Je voudrais vraiment faire plus pour la sauvegarde de l'environnement. Tu as des idées? It's your turn. Oui, je le fais déjà, mais c'est parfois un peu compliqué. Oui, tu as raison. Comment tu t'y prends? Ah oui, bonne idée, je vais faire pareil. Merci. Why don't you practice this dialogue with friends and watch it again and practice it over and over and over again? If you enjoy this kind of video, then please check out the other practice videos right here because we've got lots. Remember to comment, subscribe, and practice this dialogue with me. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous.